Vegetarian in France? Ali here. This is what I like to make and eat reasonably often. I got you. Hold it. Chickpea flour. 1 cup. Loads. Black pepper. Little grind of sea salt. Water. Aha! Whisk it. Hang on. Dip, 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 dip. Yes, let's have some of that. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, yes. Parsley. Keep the stalk. Handy tip. Roll it. Chiffonade. Choppity choppity. In the jug. Garlic powder. And mustard. Cool, look at that. Whiskey whisk. Smidge. Carrot. Choucroute. Chou rouge. Pop, 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 pop. Pop. Fromage. In the bowl. All herbs. Anything you like. Tons. Roasted red pepper. Choppity choppity in the bowl. Olive oil. Vinegar of choice. Ooh. Chickpeas. Fridge raid. Oop. See ya. Come get your own.